Hi, welcome to the course on learning such a wonderful programming language, Python. During the course, we will learn about the syntax of the language, learn to write simple programs based on it, and explore all the essential Python features. The knowledge you gain in this course will be enough for you to master this language and begin developing not just console projects, but full-fledged websites, applications, and even small mobile games. Before we dive into the study, I suggest discussing the language's capabilities, the projects you can create using them, and Python's philosophy in general. Python appeared in 1991, however, despite its age, the language hasn't lost its former glory. Conversely, every year it gets stronger in the market, all thanks to regular updates. Today, the language holds the top spot in programming languages according to TIOBA Index. Such popularity among developers is not by chance. Firstly, the language has an extremely convenient syntax. If you have previously studied other languages, you already know how many unnecessary symbols they contain. In Python, all these things are removed for the convenience of writing code, its support, and, of course, reading others' code. Secondly, the language is flexible. Whether you want to create a website or a computer program, it's not a problem. Writing data parsers, bots, or even small games is also not a problem. This extensive choice is available due to the many libraries and frameworks that exist in the language. Once you finish the course, you'll be able to check out more libraries and start working on projects in the area you like. Thirdly, coding in Python is simpler. Many tasks that can be done in 1 or 2 lines of code in Python might take 10 or even 20 lines of code in languages like Java. In Python, you can do almost anything. You can create PC applications or games as well, but these areas are not prioritized for the language, so you won't find as many convenient libraries and frameworks available compared to other programming languages. The most common uses of this language include web development and creating websites of any complexity, working with data, machine learning, and neural networks, developing bots and writing scripts for various systems. Besides, you can also try using Python for mobile app development or desktop application development. Today, the language has an incredibly large community of developers. Based on the language, you can work on projects from various fields. Its future prospects are quite optimistic. The language is constantly evolving, new job opportunities emerge in the market, and the list of language capabilities keeps growing. By learning the language, you can find employment, become a skilled programmer, and work on projects in the field that resonates with you. During the course, we will cover all the key aspects of Python. We will learn how to create variables, work with loops and lists, create classes and objects, and build constructors. We'll also learn how to work with files and perform many other actions. By the end of the course, you will have a clear understanding of this language and its capabilities. It's important to understand that by the end of the course, you will be able to start learning a specific library. For example, if you are interested in websites, you can learn Django. If you are interested in programs with graphics, you can learn PyQt. And if you're interested in games, you can start learning Pygame. And with that, our lesson comes to a close. During this lesson, we haven't installed anything or written any code yet, as we will start doing that from the next lesson onwards. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new lessons. Until next time, goodbye.